Once you created your user account, you can click on the right hand side in the top menu and log in here. You will be redirected to this login page and can log in. You will be then redirected to this getting started as a participant page. And here you find an overview on what to do, what tools to set up, and to be able to fully participate in the course. As you will see at the bottom of the page, here you have a things to do list, and you will have received this email, an email to this link to this page to your email account. What you will see here now, what has changed in the top menu, is that the registration link disappeared, and now there's a new menu item, ONL Community. This is the main part of the heart of the course homepage, so to speak. And here you will find and be able to participate actively in the course. You will find, for instance, as the first menu item, the groups of the course. Here, by default, you will get access to the ONL191 page, which is the course community where you can share information, comment on other people's shares, and comment on each other's status updates. And you can think of this ONL191 group space as something like a Google Plus community, or like a Facebook community, a Facebook group, where all course participants will be able to access and share and interact with each other. You will also later get access to the PBL group workspace, and here you only your group members and your facilitators will have access to this page. And here you can also interact with each other, but here, as I said, only with your PBL group members. Then your institution might also have another group space, but this is optional, and not all participants will have access to an institutional group or homepage. On the group page, you can also find an activity stream for the entire site, where you can find updates from all kinds of members. And these status updates, which you can write here, will be visible to all registered users on the page, all participants. And this is like your status update on Facebook, so to speak. You can share links, you can upload pictures or movies, and share what is important to you or what you might find interesting. And we really hope you will share a lot of interesting resources, articles, so that we can learn from and with each other. The third tab here is your profile. Here you can edit your profile. You can update your contact information, so that other participants can get better in touch with you. You have plenty of opportunities here to change this. You can also change this profile picture and the cover image, which is this bigger picture. You might find some notifications here if people friend you or reply to your posts. You can send direct messages. You can friend people, as I just said, and here you would find a list of your friends. If you want to keep in touch with people out from other PBL groups, for instance, and don't want to go through the entire member list of the entire course, which will be more than 100 people. And here's some other settings you can check and change. This was the group menu. Here you have find a link to the message, which you could also find here in this tab. And in this menu, friends, it's the same one as I just went through. Here you would find all members of a list of all members of the ONL community. Then here once you set up your blog, you can connect it here, and here again you will find a link to my profile. And if you want to, you can log out. And now going back to the groups, I just want to quickly show you how a group page will look like. For instance, the ONL191, the main course community. Here you find an activity stream, what happened in this group. So far, as the course only starts tomorrow, there's nothing much have happened here. Some people try to figure out how this works, which is very good. So keep in mind, you cannot break anything, just play around a little bit and test what is possible with our course homepage. Here you find again the members then of this group, and here you will find under announcements some announcements, but at the moment there was no announcement in this ONL191 community, which will probably change tomorrow as the course officially kicks off then. So by the time you are active in the course, they will probably find an announcement here. Just quickly, I will show you also the PBL group space, which is very similar. What you find here though is also a link to submit your PBL group work. And you will find also later in the course here on the home page a mirror of your Google Drive folder for your PBL group. And obviously you find your members and the activity stream of this PBL group. All right, so this is the main part of the ONL community web space. Have a look around, introduce yourself, say hi to each other, and comment on each other's group space shares. Happy exploring.